Alright guys, so the first thing I like to do is go ahead and pin the hair back. Then I part off just a tiny bit of hair that I want to just pluck away from the center part. And that's all that I'm doing now, just making sure that I just get a good little bit that I could go ahead and part. And once I see that I like the amount, I just go ahead and start getting about 3 to 4, maybe 5 strands at a time and twirling them around my finger and just slowly pulling them from the lacing. If you grab about 5 or more, like you're grabbing like way too much, and you'll probably tear the lacing. So like I said, you want to do between 2 and 4 strands of hair and slowly pull them from the lacing. If the hair begins to tug from the entire wig, then you're probably pulling too much. The hair should just kind of just slide right out from the lacing, and that's how you know like you're doing just the right amount, because it won't tear that way. You want to feel like you're just sliding the hair from the lacing. So again, you have to do like a small amount at a time. It's a tedious process, but at the end you won't be tearing your lacing or messing up your unit whatsoever. So like I said, take a few strands, twirl it around your finger, and just slowly pull it from the lacing. And so now you can kind of tell that there is enough hair in the parting space. Right here I'm just showing you how much lace there is, how much hair there is before you get to the first weft in the unit. So if you're trying to make baby hairs from the unit, you can, but you're probably pushing it, because there is going to be a weft like right after that hair. I showed you how much I pulled from the unit altogether. That wasn't shedding or anything like that. That was hair that I pulled from the parting space. Now I'm just taking a little bit of my foundation and placing it on top of my wig cap to basically help with the concealing of the parting space. Now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull my hair back again one more time and see how and what I want the unit to look like. So I took my brush and kind of brushed down the hairs that I want to use as my baby hairs, and this is my own hair, so that's what I'm going to use or have out. Then I take the wig back a little bit and I part it to match up with the actual parting space from the wig. And then, because I wanted to look even more realistic, I started to pull out some of my hair from under my wig cap so that I can have it kind of blend in. I see it's not really blending in, but it's good enough for me. I am placing some concealer. No, I placed some foundation into my parting space to make it look more realistic. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my Got to Be Glued, and this is what I'm going to use to basically gel down my baby hairs and keep them in place. I use a toothbrush nowadays to make my baby hairs. I'm not like super amazing with it, but you guys, I'm trying. So just bear with me. I did as best as I could, but this is just the way that I do them. They look pretty okay to me. Let me know if my baby hairs are banging or not. But I don't pull out too much hair. And as you can tell, like, I really don't have a lot of forehead, so yeah. Okay, guys. So let's just get the obvious out of the way. The obvious. If you don't know that it's kind of obvious, let me inform you. So this wig reminds me of the Audree Dominican half wig and the full wig. If you haven't already, I'm going to link it over here somewhere for you guys to see what that unit looks like, and maybe you can find that. But this unit feels so more realistic than that unit. I'm just going to put that out there. This one feels so much more natural than that one, and I love the color of this unit. I love that blonde one against my skin too, but I love how natural this one looks like. I feel like I got a little bit of white in me, you know what I'm saying? Not to say nothing wrong with me right now, you know what I'm saying? But I absolutely freaking love how this unit looks on me. Like, I want to add like a little mole over here and everything. Like, I love this unit. Oh my god, oh my god. This unit is absolutely amazing. Like, it's so feather lightweight. The hair feels like real hair. It feels so super amazing. The curls are absolutely perfect. It looks like, you know what I'm saying, I got like a whole bunch of braids, braided them and undid it. Like, let me give you like that 360 that you guys deserve. Look at it, look at it. The only thing I have done is like ran my fingers through this. Yeah, your girl looks like $1,000,000. Let me stand up for you guys. Let me stand up for you. Like, Zury is just on the freaking ball. Like, Zury been popping out with anything and everything, like some off the wall shit, some amazing shit, some subtle shit, some like, wow, that actually does look amazing. Like, they are popping out with units left and right, and they've been like hitting it on the mark for each and every last unit. Like, my excitement, like, I wasn't excited because I was feeling like, you know, this was just gonna be just another curly unit, but fixing up the part and space, running my fingers through it, pulling out a little bit of my hair. Just wake me up, Jesus. Just wake me up. Wake me up. Like, this here unit, this unit is so absolutely amazing. I wish like I could wear my hair like this to work. You guys, I'd be catching me left and right. My boyfriend would be whooping my ass though. But listen, the unit, there's no shedding. It's big head friendly. What else you guys need to know? 2 combs in front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. You guys seen that with, you know, me showing it to you guys. There are plenty colors from you to choose from. So if you never got your hands on the Audree Dominican hair, here you go. Zury got you covered. Zury has you covered, or you need to revive and throw away that old Audree one because it's feeling real synthetic or something. Like, come on to the Zury side, because this here, like, your girl is feeling absolutely flawless, unstoppable, untouchable on everything. Like, boo. This unit here is, y'all just need it. Like, I know, like, when you see the picture, like, you're gonna be like, yeah, I need that. Like, you do. You actually do. I'm just saying, you do. So, I don't know what y'all want to know, but if you got some questions for me, like, just put them down below. I got you covered. But buy the unit. Buy the unit. If you like, you know, curly units, you're missing out if you don't have this unit here. Like, none of the other, like, this here tops all of my other units from Zury. Like, y'all see, like, these are my baby hairs up here. You know what I'm saying? I got a little bit of my hair out front on both sides. I put a little bit of shatter on the lace, and I got it pulled back a little bit, and it's just perfect. It is perfect, and your girl feeling perfect. Okay. My man gonna want to do it. Yes. Okay, I'm through. I'm gonna stop playing with you guys. Let me do my little, you know, modeling poses, and I'll be out y'all way.